Now, why have you chosen to show this today?
Because this morning you just noticed this one is on the shelf and you said, oh, it looks interesting.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be a good chance to show this to the audience.
Yeah. Okay. Because I saw this and I was like, samurai. And then all of a sudden you were like, okay, let's put it on the show. And I was like, oh, interesting. Okay, let's go to the top camera.
Yeah.
So let's zoom in a little bit, get some focus going.
Yeah.
What is this? What can you tell me about this little model?
This one is high grade Kobu-Kai from Sakura Wars. Here, if you can see.
Sakura Wars.
Yeah, so it's a very old game, I would say.
Yep.
Yeah. And
old game. When did it come out?
It's like 19.
1990.
Yeah.
The graphics look kind of like early 2000s, maybe Shark Boy,
yeah,
Water Girl type thing.
Yeah, and give you a rough look on the cover, and you will see how different this comes to the actual models in here.
Oh, it's still taped.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's
Have a look in there.
I will bring the most special colors.
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's metallic again. You bought a metallic one last week, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You're on fire finding all these hidden gems of Gundam.
It looks very, very different from how it looks like on the cover, isn't it? It's like you can't tell the Caroish
is gonna be metallic.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the cover. It just kind of looks purple, yeah.
Yeah, just
purple,
plain.
and then this is the plastic. Go get in there. Give us a good look at that. So that's really nice.
Yeah, very beautiful glow.
There
happens
you go.
Here, right?
Yeah.
And it also has the.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's talk one by one.
One by one.
Yeah, one by one.
Okay.
So,
I'm in trouble.
The purple is for the armor, and they also have the semi-gloss gray to create sort of difference of the texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes the model looks more interesting.
More armory.
Yeah.
Right. Whoa, what's that?
It's
pretty soft. That looks like an air brake.
Yeah, it is. It's on. Yeah.
So, yeah, like airplanes have those. That's the only reason I know. Otherwise, I would have had no idea. Who's that?
It's the pilot.
It's the pilot.
Yeah.
She has.
I don't know why they don't make them full body, but yeah.
That's really weird.
I know.
She's got like discs for arms and stuff. I mean, it's enough.
Yeah, it is enough.
But the thing that made me feel really weird is just like, is that like, couldn't they put the spot like somewhere else? You know, that's not nice. I think she'd be in pain.
But it's a very interesting design for the cockpit for this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we want to go into instructions?
Just want to show you how special it is. So it's for the Kobu-Kai. You will open the cockpit like a old school cassette tape player.
I've got one of those.
Oh, really?
I've got two of those actually.
Okay.
I got one in the car I just bought.
Yeah.
And I've got a Walkman. I used to wear it to work.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's just literally looks like
hatch opened.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So it opens like a Walkman.
Yeah.
Very vintage.
And it doesn't show very well, but
the interior.
The interior is like fully molded.
Yeah, watch this. You want
I'm
interior?
not sure.
I'll give you the interior. There you go. You can see it there.
Yeah, have a look here.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So you get a full cockpit.
Yeah, very, very detailed.
And then there's your air brakes that we're talking about.
Yeah.
So this is a really nice looking model. Samurai is about to whoop my bum.
Yeah, and if you bought the Kobu-Kai for Sakura's type, another character from the same series.
Yep.
It actually has a spare parts for that kit. So yeah.
Okay, so you get like spare parts.
Yes.
In this one.
Yeah, A13.
one of the gold ones.
Yeah, it's like the sword.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, the sword handle.
Yeah, the sword
Or the
handle.
shield.
Yeah.
The sword shield. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah. So if you got that one, you're gonna buy this one.
You gotta buy it.
Yeah, you're gonna
You
buy
have
it.
to. You
Yeah.
have to get this samurai.
Yeah.
So is this the good guy or the bad guy? Question of the day.
Good.
Good guy?
Yeah.
He doesn't look very good. Looks like he's about to kill me.
No.
Sword. He's gonna decapitate my head. Let's what else have you got today? No. Let's do the god hands.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do god hands and then we'll go get
Okay.
our special guest from last week who's back again. He didn't